Thank you, Aira. Gorgeously Good Home Fragrance. Thank you. I have received your giveaway prize. Ta-da! Manual. Another fragrance. Capsule. Flower Shop. Oy. So we have a total of 3 fragrance capsules from Aira, and this is the highlights. Okay, ang bigat niya guys, it's really heavy. Alright guys, and this is it. So gorgeous. And this is where you put the fragrance capsule in, and this is the turning on and off. I think you just have to push it down, and then depends on how strong is the fragrance you want it to be. And then they got the cable, and also they sent me this little tester capsules. So they got citrus, moon dance. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Linen. And white tea. Thank you, Aira for Home, for sending me this beautiful package. This is smart diffuser and this fragrance capsule. I will definitely use this in my house. Thank you so much, guys.